G'day guys and girls, my name is Jamie Gray and welcome to another Earth Moving Equipment magazine cover story, and we're actually catching up with Andy from Andy's Earthworks and also Sydney Sandstone. How you going, Andy?
Yeah, good mate.
That's
good.
the way, mate. Good to see you. And we've also got Mark from Kobelco. How you going, Mark? But Andy, look, I thought we'd touch on a little bit of a backstory on yourself and the business, mate. So how long have you been trading for?
25 years.
Awesome. So where does most of your sandstone go out to?
All like subdivisions, all around Sydney, Metro, Hunter Valley, Newcastle, then all the way down past Wollongong.
Perfect.
Done a couple of jobs down in Victoria.
Awesome. Oh, you got a pretty big footprint.
All the way out, Orange, Bathurst too.
Okay. Yeah, nice one. So how many guys in the teams and how many machines in the fleet?
14 guys, and I think there's, I don't know, with loaders, everything, 18, 20 bits of gear.
Perfect, mate. And we can see we've got some beautiful Kobelcos on site here, and mate, it's a pretty awesome site here. I'm looking forward to getting the drone up and having a fly around. What kind of space are you working in down here on this particular site?
This part of the quarry, what we got open, the joint's 125 acre quarry. We've got most probably 70 acres open. Yeah. This site's been here for about 50 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome, mate. Awesome.
I brought it off the previous owner.
Perfect. So with the Kobelcos, obviously, you know, I'm looking around, there's probably at least half a dozen or a dozen here on this particular site. What's been your main inclination, and what are the features that you really love about the Kobelcos?
Well, they're good for soaring, you know, they got the flow, the hydraulic flow. Yeah. I don't know, they're just a good machine. Anything goes wrong, there's no hassles in getting stuff fixed. Yeah. You know? Perfect.
Cool. And what's your relationship been like with the guys at Kobelco?
They're good.
That's the way.
Yeah, Mick, the owner. Yeah, I only deal with the owner, Mick. I don't deal with anyone else.
Perfect. Yeah. Straight to the top. I like it. So how have you guys progressed together over that time? Have you been with Kobelco pretty much since the early days of the business?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, well, I just brought 4 of these 350s. Yep. You know, they're a pretty good machine. You know, and then I've got another 2 50-tonners coming as well.
Fantastic.
So, yeah.
So what are the operators' feedback? What do they like to...
They're good. These Dash 10s are good. Like over there's a 4 or 5 250 Dash 10s. Like you know, all good.
I'm looking forward to getting over there and having a look. Those two machines sitting side by side with the big blades going. So what kind of systems and procedures unfold if you do have you know, a breakdown or something goes down? What processes come into play, and how quickly does that all get rectified?
We don't really have any breakdowns, mate. Yeah. Because we don't. Once they're done 6,000 to 7,000 hours, they're traded in, you know. Yeah. Okay. Or sold.
Well, Andy, thanks for sharing all that with us, buddy. That's awesome, and best of luck and keep on powering.
Yep, no worries.
Beautiful. So, guys and girls, it's always a pleasure to catch up with Mark from Sydney Trucks and Machinery. How are you, bud?
Mate, really well. Love to shake the hand, as we know, but obviously times don't permit.
No, that's all right. That's all right. But look, it's awesome to look around here and see all of these beautiful Kobelcos on site. And I guess for you, what's probably some of the most common questions that you get asked from, say, potential customers when they're asking about things like service and maintenance and stuff like that?
Yeah. Well, I suppose the biggest question when you're considering buying an excavator is you want to know what happens after you buy that excavator, and I think it's important because it's if you downtime obviously costs you money. So if when you're buying a Kobelco excavator, you can obviously hang your hat on the fact that we've got, especially in Sydney, Wollongong and Canberra, you can hang your hat on that we've got 3 fixed locations to obviously drop the machine in for any major issues. 12 mobile service technicians fully trained. Obviously parts inventory in-house there at Sydney Trucks and Machinery, but it's also backed by, I don't know whether it's good luck or good measure, but Kobelco Construction Machinery Australia are also based at Eastern Creek. So especially if you're in Sydney, you've obviously got the accessibility to, you know, tens of $1 million worth of parts there if something does go wrong by chance. But I think, you know, service is probably the biggest question. If you can reassure a customer and give them a bit of peace of mind when they're buying an excavator, I think that's probably the most important thing.
Yeah, awesome. And what are we talking about? So if something does go wrong, what kind of time frame does it take for someone to actually get out and you know, assess or service or fix?
Yeah, so with time frame, I suppose the phones are on 24/7.
Yeah.
So if by chance, you know, you are working a night shift on some of these tier 1 projects currently operating in Sydney at the moment, obviously someone is at the end of that phone at all times. With the 12 service trucks available, obviously we pull the trigger, we can realistically get someone there within a couple of hours.
Fantastic.
So it's an important facet.
100%, mate. That's awesome. Peace of mind for customers out there.
For sure.
Good stuff, buddy. Thanks for sharing.
No problem at all.
That's
Thank you.
all right. So guys and girls, thanks so much for tuning in for another Earth Moving Equipment magazine cover story. It was an awesome opportunity to come out here and catch up with Andy and the boys from Sydney Sandstone and Mark from Kobelco. So make sure you stay very safe on site out there, take good care of each other, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you.